In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and bulk categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you're cleaning up your bank feed or fixing something that was categorized incorrectly, this is a simple process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through how to undo a categorized transaction first, and then how to apply categories to multiple transactions at the same time so you can save time and keep your books organized. To undo a categorized transaction, start by going to the menu on the left-hand side of QuickBooks Online and selecting Transactions. From there, click Bank Transactions. This will open your bank feed where you can see the activity coming in from your connected bank and credit card accounts. Next, choose the tile for the specific bank account or credit card account you want to work with. This is important because each account has its own list of transactions and status tabs. Once you're in the correct account, click the Categorize tab. Depending on your version of QuickBooks, this tab may also be labeled in QuickBooks or posted. This is where you'll find transactions that have already been added or categorized. Find the transaction you want to change, and then look across to the Action column. Click Undo. When you do this, QuickBooks removes that transaction from the categorized list and moves it back into the For Review tab. That gives you a chance to edit it, recategorize it, or review the details again before accepting it. This is especially useful if something was assigned to the wrong category by mistake. Now let's look at how to bulk categorize transactions. Go back to the For Review tab in your bank feed. This is where uncategorized or newly imported transactions are waiting for your review. Check the boxes next to all the transactions you want to categorize together. Make sure the transactions you select truly belong in the same group, since the same details will be applied to all of them. After selecting the transactions, choose Update or open the Batch Actions drop-down menu at the top of the list. From there, choose the correct category, payee, or customer tag for the entire group. This is a great way to speed up your workflow when you have several similar expenses or deposits that should be handled the same way. Once everything looks right, click Confirm or Accept to save all of them at once. QuickBooks will then apply those details to every selected transaction, helping you process your bank feed much more efficiently. And that's it. That's how to undo and bulk categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks Online.